Welcome, students. Hope you all are safe at your home. This is Shuchi Mishra. Welcomes you in the first chapter of Geography, India Size and Location. Children, the 2 points from this chapter already we have discussed in notes and through audio clip. But I feel some students are getting confused, and I can understand also because nothing can replace the classroom teaching. So that again I'm here with the chapter. Before starting this chapter, I would like to discuss few points. First is that whatever the PDF you are getting, you have to note down in your notebook. Second thing is the diagrams that you are having in this PDF, you have to draw them along with the topics, but please don't color them. Third thing is no need to draw any map. Simply if you have any printed map at your home or stencil also you may use, or another option is tracing method also can be used, and highlight only those points whatever I have highlighted in the PDF. So children, here with a full of energy, now we are going to enter in the first chapter of geography. In this, the first line it has written over here that India is an ancient civilization. Ancient civilization, it means that it is an origin point for the other civilizations. You may have heard about the Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. Yes, definitely you must have heard about. After this, before if you will look over here, then you will find that the equator is dividing our earth into two hemispheres, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. If you will see the distance, the length of the equator, then it would be around 12,756 kilometer. It means it is an equatorial diameter of the earth. If we will go further, then we will find some lines which are parallel to equator this way. So these are known as the latitudes. These latitudes are the complete circle. In the northern hemisphere it is 90, in the southern hemisphere 90, and 1 this equator. Total latitudes are 181. After this, if we will go here in the longitudes, then this is known as the prime meridian, and this prime meridian passes through London, and these are it is North Pole and it is South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. It means the lines joins from North Pole to South Pole is known as the longitudes. If I ask you to divide this circle into angles, then how many angles you will have? This way, how many angles will be here? You will have, that is 360 total angle. So these 360, and if you will take the polar view of the longitudes, then you will have 360. So these longitudes are also in total number of longitudes are 360. Now in the audio clip, if you have heard about, then I have given you the example of graph paper. You must have observed that some vertical lines over there and some horizontal lines. So this way, this type of network here also you are getting when we are placing the line of latitudes over the longitudes. Then such type of network you are getting. So this network is known as grid. And the location wherever the latitudes are intersecting with the longitudes, the particular area will become the location of that particular person or whatever you want to know. After this children, some students were getting confused then how they can read the degrees and minute. As I have given you here, it has written over here, it is, wait a minute, yes, here this line. So it is 8 degree, it is 8 degree 4 minute. How you have to read it, like if I consider them in A degree, B minute and C second. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This formula, this thing you will use when you are going to calculate the mathematical question that I have given you with the PDF. Now, if you will observe India, that India is here. If you will see from the prime meridian, then it is in the eastern side. And if you will observe from equator, then it will be found in the northern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere. So that's why we used to write 8 degree 4 minute north, because it is here. And 68 degree 7 minute east, because it is here. Right, children? Children, as equator divides our earth into two parts, in the same way Tropic of Cancer also passes, because also divides our earth into two parts. Here one important thing which you have to understand, that Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Manipur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 states from where the Tropic of Cancer passes. Here one more important line, that is this one, standard meridian, which is highlighted with the pink color, this one. So this passes through 82 degree 30 minute east, and this was considered as the standard meridian, so that all the watches in the country follows the same time, because sun here in the Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, there is a time lag of 2 hours. So that's why we have adopted this standard meridian. That's all for today, children, and for mathematical calculation I'll make a separate video so that it will be easy to understand. Till then, be safe. Thank you.